Hey there. So your HubSpot journey is going on really nice. And you are building up a complete website on HubSpot and you are doing everything that is possible in order to boost its search engine optimization. But did you know about sitemap? A sitemap is something that search engines use in order to crawl your website efficiently. And today we are going to tell you how you can set up your HubSpot hosted domain sitemap. So guys, in order to view and edit your HubSpot sitemap, what you need to do is firstly log into your HubSpot account. Once that is done and you are logged into your HubSpot account, click on the settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, you would be greeted by a lot of options. You don't have to worry. Now scroll down a little bit and there in the content section, there is something called as domains and URLs. Once you click on that, there's another option, which is the fourth one, which is the sitemap. Once you click on sitemap, now you can see that all of the pages which are inside the sitemap are showing up over here. And you can click on view XML file in order to view the sitemap which exists, and everything about the sitemap is written over here. In this XML file, there's something called as last mod and which determines last modified date. So it's telling you that this sitemap was last modified on this XYZ date. And if we close this sitemap, and if we want to add a page, we click on add a page. We can choose any page, maybe this one, and then we click on add. Now this page has been added to the sitemap and we can click on save. And this is how you can add pages to the sitemap. But what if I want to do something else? So if I want to do something else, maybe I want to remove a page from the sitemap, then I can click on remove and then click on save. That page would be removed from the sitemap. And if I want some other options as well, I can click on options and here I can choose the frequency or I can choose the priority. Now frequency determines that I'm conveying to the search engine robots that this page is updated on this frequency. For example, if I choose a frequency of never, this means that I'm telling search engines that this page is almost never updated. And if I click on priority, here I can set from the highest priority. For example, I want search engines to crawl this page on the highest priority, or I can click on 0, which is no priority, or maybe give it a 0.5, which is default or medium priority. And maybe I can set this page that it's being updated every year. And then I click on save and then click on save again, and my changes are saved. In case you need to see the sitemaps for other domains that you might have, click on the domain over here and you can see all of the URLs that you have. So guys, this was it. Very easy to follow, very simple steps. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear and you were easily able to view and edit your HubSpot hosted domain sitemap. In case you are still running into any sorts of issues, feel free to reach out to us via the comment section below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen in front of you in order to book a free one-on-one consultation call wherein we can help you build that project of your dreams. And guys, I'll see you soon in the next video.